all the football pages on Instagram are like the president of FIFA. Yeah. Instead of being at the finals of the Copa America or at the Euros final, he's dancing at some weird Indian wedding with a weird Indian actor. Hi guys, welcome to This Is Not a Podcast. We have Gayu underscore Inkby back after a long time.
Hi.
Gayu, how are you feeling?
Your name is still underscore Inkby.
We don't have to talk about that.
When are you gonna? Yeah, Gayu's Instagram name is Gayu underscore Inkby. I feel like the era of having cool.
Why are we talking about this?
usernames.
What is the segue? Why are you attacking me?
Having cool usernames on Instagram are over. I feel like we all just stick to
This
our
is
names.
not cool. It was not available. Gayatri is the most common
But
name.
Gayatri Mohan.
It's not. I tried
You
everything.
mean Gayatri Mohan?
Yeah.
But what about Gaia with a 3, numeric 3? And then
I
Mohan?
tried. I even tried GAY3. That is also taken.
Oh shit.
Gayatri.
Gayatri Mohan.
Well,
So like I
wanna attack me more?
She was just late to reserving her name.
Did anyone else have any weird Instagram handles?
I've actually always had a normal Instagram handle.
Yeah,
I mean, normal.
Even boring.
I feel like Shambhali.
She was
No,
born
no.
into the corporate
Okay,
world.
Instagram. I feel like we were all like little more grown up when we had, so we didn't have like weird name. Let's talk about Yahoo user.
Oh.
My Yahoo, I never had a Yahoo account. I always had a Hotmail account.
Yeah, just like your name.
No, it was Shams underscore.
Ah,
Pavel.
let's go.
Shams is my pet name. It's my personal account. I don't use it for anything.
My Yahoo account was Shah07 Raider.
I'm not talking about
Shah
that.
because my first this thing 07 favorite number and my Counter Strike name was Mind Raider.
Oh my
Because apparently I could read my opponent's minds.
Wow.
But I
It's
still
still
use this.
cool, though.
I still use this email ID for like a lot of official shit. just for like the reaction. Like there are certain times when if the people are close to you, they will react like, "What the fuck is this ID?" But there are times when people are not close to you, or like it's like a professional setting where they are thinking like, "What the fuck am I dealing?"
And you
with?
can see
This
the
man
thoughts
has
in the head.
Shah07 Raider.
But actually, that is still not as bad as the other ones that you hear about.
Yeah,
The
Yeah.
general ones,
Yeah,
yeah.
some are really terrible.
Yeah.
Yeah, mine's
Yeah.
Aryan.Uzumaki. That's my
Oh,
professional
yeah.
account.
I mean, Uzumaki is fine.
I thought your Instagram was also something.
No, it's Aranovich. I'm Aranovich.
Hi.
Hi, my name is Aranovich.
My Yahoo thing was really weird. I was like a proper like Potterhead. So mine was, I forgot the first word, but it was Trio Muggle.
Oh my god.
Because Trio, like Hermione, Ron, and like
Yeah.
Harry.
Oh, that's crazy.
1993 or
I remember
something.
my cousin Siddharth.
This
He
is the
think
best.
he's like a lone wolf. So his ID was literally
Lone
lonewolf@gmail.com.
Apuchi also had a good one, no?
apps_123.
No, it's apps one.
Oh, the thing about my cousin Appu is when people would ask her for her ID, she would give her ID and password.
What?
When?
Like because she thought that was part of it.
Oh my
Like this is
God.
when we were in 5th, 6th grade. This is when
Oh my
internet
God.
was like
my
just started in India and email IDs are. I am not joking, guys. She studied in the Joy School, and every single person in Joy School knew her email ID and password.
Oh god.
Guys, this episode is sponsored by SkinQ. I know all of you must be wondering all the time, how does Sharan have such perfect skin? And let me tell you, I have also had issues with acne. And then you know what solved all my problems, including the acne problems? SkinQ's Acne Control Mask, the solution to all my acne problems.
You know why it helps you, but
So yeah, why does it help me?
because it helps control sebum production, which basically helps with the oil that your skin produces.
Sebaceous oils.
And also it ensures that your like pores are not clogged.
And that's not all. Studies have shown a 45% acne size reduction within 3 days. It also works on clearing out acne marks and pigmentation spots.
No way. How do I use it?
It is so simple, guys. Just use one teaspoon. Teaspoon is teaspoon. On a freshly cleaned face. Clean, freshly washed face. And leave it on for 15 minutes. Right now it's been on me for 13 minutes.
Okay.
In 2 minutes I'll be washing my face.
So my hand also. Since I
And
applied
then-
it on both
and
your
then rinse
faces.
it with cool water.
Okay. Not warm.
Cool water.
To be serious, you know why it works for Indians?
Wait.
because it was specifically made for Indian skin. So it's not like the products that are made in Korea or in the West. These products were made specifically for our skin type, which is melanin rich.
Being brown means having some common issues with our brown skin that only these products can solve because they're made specifically for brown skin. That is why Dr. Chaitra Anand created these products and they are clinically tested and clinically proven to be working specifically for brown skin. Try SkinQ, guys.
Try skin.
Paste.
What are your most embarrassing passwords?
Thanks.
Tell.
Like we're
Wait,
gonna
you guys use
disclose
You
it.
guys, you guys use the same passwords from like childhood?
No.
No, I don't. I have changed all my passwords.
I'm very attached to my passwords. I don't change them.
But I used to have a password. So there was a. Back then, this is the early 2000s. Everybody was on Orkut because Orkut was cool. But I remember a girl who I liked came from the US. And
Obviously, it's always the girl who I liked.
and then she's like, so I said, like, can I text you on Orkut? And Orkut, there's no private messaging as far as I remember. You can only write on each other's walls.
So
everybody-
everyone can see.
Everyone can
Yeah,
see.
yeah, there was no.
So I was like, do you have Orkut? She's like, what's Orkut? I was like, this is like a social media platform. She's like, yuck, that sounds terrible. Do you have Facebook? And I'm like, what the fuck is Facebook? She's like, you don't have Facebook? I was like, no, I don't have Facebook. And then I went back home that day and created a Facebook account. And her name was Susanna. So my password was Susanna only for you.
Oh my god.
Sharan, you are so cringe.
And
is the
I
right
used
word.
to have that password for like 10 years. It was Susanna only. 4 was numeric 4, you.
Oh my god. So
Oof.
this so there used to be a time where Shat was in like the 10th grade. I was like 4th or 5th grade. So I'll get all the computer time and I'll be playing video games and stuff or like watching anime or something. He'll be studying. He'll come from his room to my room quickly while mama's in the bathroom or something to check his Facebook to get like if he's getting messages and stuff. Or he'll check like the football score or something. So he'll randomly come, he'll be oof, and then he'll check. So every time he does this, he needs like when I got my Facebook, he had to keep logging me out and then logging into his account. So he's standing and typing, and I can see shah07raider@gmail.com. And then he
Oh.
continues typing, I love myself, 7.
Oh my god.
And I was like, wait, is he typing the password in the email? And then 2, it was, is his password I love myself, 7? I was like, wow.
Yeah, a lot of people
this
used to
guy.
make that
and then,
mistake, no?
and then he just looked at me and I looked at him and it was like, wow. He had to change it immediately.
I remember that's how I first started talking to Shamali.
Yeah?
On Facebook?
Yeah, on Facebook.
No, we never spoke on MSN?
No.
Messenger? Oh.
I
Yeah.
used to Facebook email each
Then there was a time where he started noticing that I was looking at his, like obviously I was looking at his screen. And then in his email he typed, stop reading this, you piece of shit.
Yeah.
But like the coolest thing on Facebook is like you're emailing someone, but those emails are like chats, but also emails.
Emails?
Your chats or emails. You guys are writing like
Yeah, we were,
what
long
we
and
were
they were
writing
writing like
long messages to each other, right?
You
And
mean
like-
on the wall, right?
no,
No.
in messages.
How do you not remember?
How
That's
do you
not
not
an
remember?
email. That's a message.
Yeah, but like email message.
Yeah, because it's a long.
It's
It's
a
like,
long-
hey, there's like an intro.
Okay,
there's a
okay. The
middle.
format of the message was
Yeah,
an email.
and then
okay.
like you'd send it, and then when you log back in, like the inbox would have like a red icon with,
yeah.
oh my god, that is too good.
Yes,
and if you
dopamine.
log in and then that red thing is not there, you're like, fuck,
Even that, like
it's a bad
the
day.
notification that
Yeah.
popped.
Yeah.
I feel like when the moment the internet that whole thing changes when they introduce scene. 'Cause
But
what-
scene came way later.
Yeah.
Yeah, scene came way later, but that's
Yeah.
what people don't realize that. I
Like
think.
seen as in
like the fact
Like
that the red is
someone
seen.
has-
That you
or
read.
red notification.
Yeah, that changed the game.
I miss Orkut though. And like having the most testimonials means like,
Oh
you're
my
popular.
What is testimonials?
It's basically like if we're friends and Shamali gets to write about me and everybody can see.
It's like
It's like your
It's
It's like scrapbook
Scrapbook,
thing.
yeah.
So like the most
My
amount
god,
of
I miss
testimony.
scrapbooks so much.
So wait, what is the social dynamics of this? Do you ask someone to write a
You
testimonial?
can ask, people ask, but
You're
like,
not cool if you ask.
So you have to wait for people
but
to do
people
it.
still
I
ask.
used to ask
though.
everyone.
Yeah, there you go.
We know.
I used to crack business deals. You write for me, I will
I'll
write
write for you,
And I
yeah.
will convince one more person to write.
It's
A
like
referral
the
system.
equivalent of friendship, having friendship bands.
yeah.
Okay, I was never on Orkut actually.
Really?
My first social media account was on Facebook. Before Facebook, I used to chat with my friends on MSN Messenger. So everybody had to have a Hotmail account. And
I
then
remember the thing. when you
yeah,
log in.
yeah. And then we used to all be on Facebook. And Facebook was crazy because for the longest time, I didn't realize like writing on someone's wall is public info. And like even your like now when you scroll back and you see your status statuses from like long back.
Oh, yeah,
they're
the-
so
the-
strange.
What are they called? Memories. What?
Yeah,
what?
memories,
Yeah.
Oh, it really haunts me when things pop up.
the
now.
funny
I
thing-
go and delete.
I remember the funny thing I remember about Orkut is so that was the first time like people would upload photos of them like profile pictures and stuff, right? And I distinctly remember I had a photo of a coin, and I remember my friend asking me, "Why do you have a coin? Why can't you just put your face?" And I remember saying, like, I don't think it's just safe to put your face on the internet.
Now puts his friend's junk on YouTube. His own junk on YouTube.
Yeah, but you know, he has a lot of like strange like main character moments like this. We were at Link Heights, which is like the building we used to stay in, and it's like an atrium, so you can lean over from the 15th floor and you can spit and it goes way like down.
Oh, I already
And
don't
I
like
and I remember looking down, I spat, and Shatter was there. He's like, "Don't do that ever again." And I thought like I was like maybe 10. I was like, oh, because people will walk, they'll spit on him. And I said, but I still asked why. He said, "I don't like gravity."
What? I don't remember.
Yeah, this is something you literally said to me with your mouth.
I don't like gravity.
I don't like
Yeah, this
gravity.
makes
And I was
it
like,
slightly
and
cool.
in my head,
I think you
10-year-old
didn't
me,
want to explain the moral, so you're like, I don't like
10-year-old me
gravity.
was like, yo, that is
My
so
brother
cool.
doesn't like gravity.
You are the reason why he has unnecessary amounts of confidence.
Yeah.
Okay.
Imagine telling like a 10-year-old you don't like gravity.
God
Like,
complex comes from you.
like at the age of 10, gravity is not something you think you can even have an opinion about. Like that
I
just
mean, you
blows your
can't
mind.
have an opinion.
That's what
on
you
it.
can't have an opinion about.
At any age,
You have to fall.
I hate gravity. Why do you hate gravity, Sharan?
I don't know. It just brings me down, you know.
God. Keeps you humble.
What are the stories of your current Instagram bios? Yours is you, David. I've seen that on a lot of people.
Yeah, I keep changing my Insta bio based on the show I'm watching. I haven't changed it in a while, but
Yeah,
it
been
used to be
watching
for
it.
the,
You've been watching the same show
Yeah.
for like 10 years.
for the longest time.
I
it
think when I
used to
started
be
following you only, it was that.
You,
did,
David. Yeah, because that's when in 2020 is when I saw Schitt's Creek and I changed my bio.
Oh, it's a Schitt's Creek thing.
Yeah.
I've seen it on
Before
so many
that, it
lawyers,
was-
so I thought it was a lawyer thing.
Oh no. Before that, it was I had to go see About a Girl, which is only the greatest dialogue ever from Good Will
Good Will
Hunting.
Hunting.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's very seasonal. It has no meaning to it.
Yours has been.
Mine, I never change mine. It's Take It Easy Urvashi,
It's been that for a while.
which is my favorite song ever.
And the name he wants to give his daughter
Yeah,
if he
my
ever
first
has
daughter would be
one.
called Urvashi. So I can sing Take It Easy Urvashi to her.
Hey, it's cool name.
When she's like absolutely like heartbroken because of her boyfriend, I'll sing this song.
And what? Steal her
Let
from
her
her
come
boyfriend?
into the
What?
world.
Like,
What
calm
is
her
the end
down.
goal here?
No, he wants to
No,
say,
you know-
take it easy, Urvashi.
Yeah,
No,
honestly-
you know what kind of dad you are? You're like taking my daughter to Paris so he won't be impressed. I know. I
So
know
your
it.
ashy son would be.
Yeah, I know it.
Oh my God. Have you guys thought of baby names?
I'm the only baby I'll have. There is no baby for me. This ride is closed.
Yeah, for me, Urvashi is number one.
Yours is.
I haven't thought about names yet.
Don't want to talk about it.
No, I genuinely, I don't want to have a boring name. Like, I don't want to name names. But
Say one boring name. Like say one.
Like
Karan is very
No, the
boring.
current boring names of this generation.
oh,
are
Alaya, Anaya.
Ayana, Amaya, Ayana, Agana, whatever. Anything.
Variations
lot
of
A's.
that, basically.
Like modern.
Yeah, I feel like there's no character to it.
I actually like the old names still. Like the traditional.
Like Tangam is a pretty badass name.
Tangam.
Okay,
Yeah.
I was not going that far back, but
Tangam
okay.
sounds pretty
It is
cool.
cool. It is cool.
Yeah, but I haven't thought. So I have a cousin who gave birth to twins.
Oh, this is such a
And-
good story.
So it's a boy and a girl, okay? They're twins. And their names are like polar apart, okay? In terms of century. So the girl is Kiana
Okay.
and the guy is Sambhav.
Wow.
So I asked
Samba
her.
was from the 1980s.
Yeah. So I asked her, like, Surbhi Didi, what was the logic? Why have you harmed your son? So she named the son and
Clearly, you have a favorite
Yeah.
child.
so she named the son and her husband named the daughter. So I asked her, like, what was the like thought process? Like
Yeah.
you and my brother-in-law
Yeah.
are clearly not on the same
Yeah.
page. She's saying no. So when I was trying to conceive, I had she was doing, so we're all Jains, right?
Yeah.
So we have like places of pilgrimage where we go to, and she was in one of these places, and she was praying to God that if she is pregnant, whoever she opens her eyes up to, whichever God that is, she will name her child that.
Okay.
I was like, okay, what a gamble, because we've got like our saints
So
are
she
like,
opened her eyes to the Sambhav god.
yeah, she
Sambhav
opened her
God.
eyes to Sambhav, but the gamble is that we've also got gods named like Shantinath. We've got.
and Shantinath. Oh my god.
So I was like, dude, you could have really ruined him. Like, you got so lucky it was Sambhav. Like, now in hindsight, Sambhav
Sambhav
is a
doesn't
great
seem so
name.
Compared to Shantinath, yeah, way.
What are the other options?
There's like, I'm not a great Jain. There's Mahavir. Then there's.
Mahavir is badass.
Yeah, but it's also like they say in our like community, they say that don't name your child after a god, because then when you're shouting at them, it's like you're shouting at God.
Oh Jesus. Oh damn.
But yeah, so yeah, she got lucky with Sambhav.
Dude, I have like weirdly named cousins.
Like,
So this is my dad's sister's children. I don't like them, so I'm gonna talk about them.
Jeez.
So the daughter's name, they're older than me. Daughter's name is Richie.
Richie.
Which is okay. Which is okay. You wait. The son's name is Magnum.
Oh my god.
That's actually so badass.
Yeah, but he's not.
Okay.
Personality doesn't matter.
Yeah. So when I was born, she wanted to. She's used to live in Dubai, so she was like, I really want to suggest names. I really want to name your daughter. And my mom was like, no, we're not waiting for them to come. So my grandmom named me. So once she was like a week late. She came and she's like, oh, I really wanted to name her this thing. My mom's like, what did you want to name? Like, I wanted to name her Akshara. My mom's like, I thought it'll be some Pepsi or Coca-Cola.
Yeah, Akshara's not
Considering your
bad.
children's name.
You know, my name for the longest time was Dipali.
What?
Yeah. For like 9 months of my life, I was Dipali.
You both of us have a story like this also. You were Ganeshan.
Oh my god.
He was
You are
Ganeshan.
such a Ganesh,
Ganeshan Nair.
actually.
Yeah, it
and Aryan is Surya Narayanan.
yeah. There's Aryan in there somewhere. But like, yeah, for like 9 months to our grandparents, we were Ganesh. And
Oh
I
my
was-
god, you would have no game on Instagram or
The
YouTube.
Ganesh Nair.
Yeah. What the hell?
No, especially with the kind of
GN7.
especially with the kind of content he does.
Yeah.
This reminds me. So when we used to live in Russia, Siddharth, my cousin Siddharth, used to live in Cochin. So Siddharth's dad, my uncle, used to travel once in a while between Cochin and Moscow. So we used to write letters to each other. So Siddharth, I remember reading this letter. He once sent it to me. He sent me a letter. He's like, hey man, like we're probably like 3rd grade, 4th grade. He's like, hey man, I really miss you. A lot of cool things are happening in Cochin. I just want to say Max misses you a lot. Oh, by the way, I'm called Max right now. It's my new name.
I identify as Max.
I was like, what is this guy odd? And for the longest time, he would get irritated if anybody called him Siddharth. He's Max.
That's actually so cool.
I mean, props to him.
The way he said, oh, by the way, I'm Max now.
Like it was an afterthought. Like he didn't even think about it. He's so used to being Max that it was just in the letter.
Even I wanted to change my name for the longest time.
After Sham, like they named you Shamali.
Yeah.
Oh.
I don't blame.
Not last week. 3 days. 3 days back. 3 days back. We are at a party. We're watching the Euro finals.
No.
So there's a white guy there. Okay, foreigner, American. Me, Joby, Shamali, and white guy is talking to us. Okay, white guy is probably in his 50s. Very sweet guy. So he asked my name. He asked Joby's name. Then he's like, what's your name? Shamali's like, Shamali. He's like, oh, that is so French. Shamali. Yeah, it's from the east of India. Shamali never hears what other people are saying. He's like, oh my god, that is so French. He's like, no, it is. No, he didn't say
Yeah,
no.
we're in the French
He
province
said,
of
he's like,
India.
It's so French. Yeah, it's from the east of India. And me and Joby are looking at each other like, what the fuck? And the guy is also so confused. He's like, did I say something wrong?
I'm hard of hearing. I can't help it.
It's not Mizoram, it's Mizoram.
But you know, I've always had trouble with my
Gwalior.
name because people
Gwalior?
can't pronounce it. Like it is so annoying to explain
Yeah,
to
I
them.
feel like your name people tend to fuck
I don't
up.
know
Like,
why it's so hard.
legit.
though.
Shamali.
But it's not a hard name to
No,
pronounce.
because I think they just get intimidated. But it's not a hard name. If
Give
I
it by the name.
tell you, okay, call me Shamoli, it's not hard. But if you see my spelling, it's a little intimidating because it's SHYAMOLIE. So there's like a lot of variables there. But I've always had trouble. Like in school, in corporate setups, everywhere. It's like a conversation. Like, oh, okay, this is my name. Then they'll be like, oh, it's such a pretty name. Where's it from? And then I'll be like, oh, it's from West Bengal. Then they'll ask me, what's the meaning? I'm like, I have no idea.
So it has no meaning.
No, it does. It's a
Purely for
Bengali name.
intimidation's sake.
It's a Bengali name. It's supposed to mean dusky beauty, but I don't know. Like this is something that a Bengali friend of mine told me, but I wasn't
a Bengali
sure.
name?
It's a Bengali name.
I feel like it could be a great Chinese name, like XIAMO Lee. Like that would be a cool.
He's changed my name.
Like XIA, it would sound the same as Shia Moli.
Jamali.
Yeah, exactly. That would be such a cool.
What's the
Yeah.
worst they've like,
Oh,
pronounced name?
yeah. So
So,
I was basically,
shadow
we
me.
had this thing from the Rotary when we were in school called Raila.
Yeah,
So,
Raila, yeah.
So I was in 9th grade and we'd gone to Munnar for Raila.
Hey,
And
you've been to Raila camp?
I've been to Raila
Oh, yeah.
camp, yeah. And I think I went in 2009. So we went to Munnar, okay? So it's a group like from different schools. You sort of interact with them, play like team sports, and like basically it's just like a group building activity across 3 days.
Yeah.
And at the end of this, you get certificates. So they're distributing certificates, and I know if they're taking time to pronounce the name, it's me. So I started walking.
Wow, that's confident.
Confidence.
He says, "Congratulations, Shine Amoli."
Walks back.
Who the hell is Shaina Moli? Why is
I'm
there
sorry.
an N?
China Moli is my favorite.
I
I'm
think
gonna
she
call you
writing the
China
M
Moli.
as N.
No, he said Shaina Moli. So he had the N
got
and
the
the M.
He made it harder for himself.
China Moli.
But I was right. He took 5 minutes to pronounce. I was like, it has to be me.
Yeah, he read. Fuck it. China Moli.
But yeah, I think Shaina Moli has been by far the
that's pretty
worst.
bad.
I like it though.
Yeah.
I don't think my name people can.
No, I mean,
it's
also
like a number.
No, it's
and
also a goddess, right? So,
Yeah. Like even I'm saying like
Yeah.
non-Indians or non-Malayalis. It's like
Yeah.
Talking about non-Indians, do you see Kim Kardashian at the Ambani wedding?
what a segue.
I was going to be like talking about names. What about the richest name? Yeah, it's just a business deal. You'll soon
Yeah.
see Skims now
PR.
at Trends. Reliance Trends is selling
Yeah.
Skims.
I'll be doing PR. I hope.
Yeah, you're the OG Skims influencer here.
You
Before
think,
Ambani.
you think Kim Kardashian is paid to come for the wedding?
You know, there are
110%.
theories.
I believe like 100.
I don't know if she was paid because it's in her business interest also to be here. But there are theories because... So there's one thing, I don't know if you noticed.
1 sec. Just so that you guys know, Shamini consumes Ambani content.
Yeah,
I
day in,
love
day out.
Since
Ambani
the pre-wedding
content.
has happened, she's been consuming.
I can do a PhD
Shamini knows,
on that.
Shamini knows more about the wedding than Anand Ambani and Radhika
Yeah.
Merchant put together.
Even their wedding event
They are finding out through
managers.
Shamili.
But yeah, apparently, so I don't know if you noticed this,
No, we
but
didn't notice it.
not
We-
you. I'm asking her specifically because it's fashion related.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
and you aren't a part of that conversation.
Excuse me, I'm Jiggy Best Dress 2020.
Yeah, well, that was 3 years ago now,
Yeah, but-
please.
Okay, damn it.
So they all, like the family, wore Manish Malhotra for most events.
Yeah.
I saw this.
It's apparently because they have a stake in
Yeah.
Manish Malhotra. And then there was an analysis that Kim Kardashian wore Tarun Tahiliani for one event, but she never posted that one. But she posted the 2 looks with Manish Malhotra. So they're like, maybe she was paid. But
Dave, as in you were like, you came to this conclusion with your
No,
research.
there's also not a theory, but a lot of Indians are pissed off because Khloe Kardashian put up a story
Local
saying,
design.
No,
hi
Kim
guys.
Kardashian
Oh,
put
Kim
up
Kardashian- I
Indian
put up,
music.
Yeah, something with I'm wearing some local designers' clothes, and all the Indians are like, "You motherfucker, that's Manish Malhotra. He's the pride of our nation."
You know what was worse? You know Paris Hilton?
Yeah,
You know?
yeah.
Paris Hilton's sister. No, I'm joking.
Okay. So
Which
he...
is not.
So he...
Yeah, okay, go on.
Anyway, he's put up like a TikTok or whatever where he's like, guys, Kim Kardashian has culturally appropriated something.
my God.
For Indian weddings, only brides are allowed. This guy's white. Only brides are allowed to wear red. She has worn red and she's disrespect. And I'm like, bro. And Indians are destroying him in the comments.
No, dude, there are podcasts in the West where they're discussing how the Ambanis benefited by having Kim Kardashian there. Someone's commented, Kim Kardashian has a net worth of 1 point something billion. Ambani's are 123 billion. Then they're like, Kim Kardashian walked Neeta Ambani to the mandap. It's like, bro, why will she walk the mother of the groom?
I feel like
But Neeta Ambani also looked like she was walking the bride to the mandap.
No, she was just being a good host. Like,
No. I'm just saying. I'm not saying it's wrong. I'm
Yeah,
just saying
yeah.
it looked like.
No, there's another video when Kim Kardashian comes and she's wearing this really low top, and the caption is Mukesh Ambani really doesn't know where to look. He's literally looking everywhere.
But I wish like Kanye and her were still together. Like imagine having Kanye at these
oh.
events. Fuck, that would be.
But I feel
hilarious.
like
I mean, you just like stand up on the mandap and go rap.
Anand, I'm gonna let you
Yo, I'm
finish.
gonna let you finish.
I really applaud the Ambanis because they have literally penetrated every sphere. Like
Yeah.
you guys are talking about fashion and like Indian culture. Like these are people of positions of power talking about these things.
Because I'm sorry, most people think India is still like some
Yeah.
village where.
Yeah, exactly. All the football pages on Instagram, okay, are like are like the president of FIFA. Instead of being at the finals of the Copa America or at the Euros final, he's dancing at some weird Indian wedding with a weird Indian actor.
This is a thing.
yeah.
Infantino is
Dude,
Ranveer Singh is twerking on Infantino.
handling him.
What the fuck?
Dude, Ranveer Singh also dropped like the Spider-Man drop. Upside down drop. Yeah, he. I think he got paid the most, more than Kim Kardashian. 100%.
Yeah, Infantino was getting manhandled by Ranveer Singh. And all the football pages, all the biggest podcasts are like, where the fuck is he? Why is he not at the football? Why is he at this weird Indian wedding?
Damn,
That's
the influence was insane.
Then yesterday, so in Russia, the building we live in, a lot of people who are from Angola and they work in the Angolan embassy, like people like expats in the Angolan embassy live in that building. So we have been friends with them for a long time. So I have Angolan friends.
Flex.
Who steal almonds.
My friend Aloisio puts up a story yesterday, okay, and he tagged me in it. So I opened the story. It's about the Ambanis.
Are you serious?
But like, what about it? Has he reshared something? Or billionaire Anand Ambani's wedding is estimated to cost 600 million. Sharon Nair, this is ridiculous.
It's on you.
It's on you, Sharon Nair, the Indian I know.
What the hell?
No, but it's so
Aliza was a
funny
character.
because you know the amount he spent is still not like proportionate to his net worth.
Dude, it's insane. Like every time I see a post, I'm like, how much more?
No, but you know, like for instance, someone who has just 1 crore will still end up spending 40 lakhs on a wedding.
yeah.
He has so many millions and billions.
At the Sharana, this is ridiculous. The fact that our friend from Angola is posting this is fucking insane.
No, but I mean, I think it's great PR for India.
Yeah, it is great.
Yeah,
And I
absolutely.
also don't get like all the people are bitching about them saying, oh, they're spending so much money and they're creating so much e-waste. First of all, e-waste is meant to be created.
What?
This is
What
like
is
gravity.
e-waste?
I was,
hate
just, I, was
gravity.
trying to, I was just trying to impress my
We're
brother.
not on the same page
He's
anymore.
grown. He's no longer 6 years old.
We've skipped pages.
What is e-waste?
Environmental waste.
Oh, I thought it was like.
Or it could be electronic waste.
Yeah, it was like electronic waste. Like, what the fuck?
Yeah, it's electronic waste. Like when you email and you don't delete your emails and all of that for really
no,
long.
I meant like actual waste.
Oh, you didn't mean e-waste.
No, I didn't mean e-waste. I
They're,
meant
they're not
environmental
emailing people randomly.
waste. I meant environmental waste. I thought E meant for environmental.
No, I think it means electronic.
Oh, shit. Okay, environmental waste. But I don't understand. people-
Environmental waste is just waste, bro. It goes to the environment.
like, I don't understand why people are bitching about them. It's their money. It's their NMAC and their bodyguards and their cars. And
But
their people.
anybody, you don't even have to be rich. If you spent a certain amount and few people know, it's already seen as
No,
something.
I think the issue is also just the amount of inconvenience caused because apparently when the wedding was happening, it was happened over a few days.
They closed down.
Lots of roads were rerouted and all of that, which is like
It's
it was
already-
considered to be a public event, I'm sorry, then you should open it up to the public to come,
But
right?
they might be closed because like important politicians, important people are traveling,
Yeah,
right?
but
So
that's
those
an
roads would have been
inconvenience.
closed anyway. If they were there for fucking COP20 or whatever, it will still be closed.
No, it won't be closed like this. This is on another scale altogether. You've been to BKC in Bombay, right?
Yeah.
Most of the main roads were shut. Like people were rerouted like massively. So to the point, I'm assuming people just worked from home that day, those days. But it was very, very
How long was
inconvenient.
it? 3 days.
Dude, I have no. I lost count. I think the wedding went on for 3 days, like with the sangeet, the actual wedding ceremony, and the reception. But there were multiple functions in between.
Dude, didn't they create like a market inside?
I don't know why people are hating on the wedding. It's been super entertaining for me from
Yeah,
the
it's been
comfort of my home.
Shamali's entire feed is just Ambani.
But my favorite clips from this video is Anant Ambani and Salman Khan. The bond they share seems
Oh my god, that was my
to
worst.
be very, very special.
Where's the Bandish?
I don't know. He just toys with Salman Khan.
it's
like he's
like-
a G.I. Joe figure.
It's like Jackie Chan and Jaden Smith from Karate Kid.
Yeah, it's so cute.
Who is who?
Yeah.
Jackie Chan is Salman Khan. Yeah.
I wish they had Speed at the wedding. Imagine. Speed and Kanye. Like, imagine if they had those two people in the wedding. this would have
Kanye,
been
yeah, I
something
can't
else.
stand Speed.
I mean, but they had like
John
Narendra
Cena.
Modi.
They had yeah. John Cena. and,
Ranveer Singh.
John Cena did his You Can't
Yeah.
See Me. He
Like
made that a
Bhangra,
move.
and
It
John
was
Cena's
so
like,
funny.
I feel like John Cena definitely got paid to come. Like,
Dude,
there's no
most
way.
people did. It's not a conspiracy.
I don't
Yeah.
know if they got paid. I mean, it's a free trip to India. You're living in the best hotel. You're interacting with the best of the best. I'd take a Bata collab at
I mean,
this point.
I have a source, but I can't say the source. That's why.
No, I know a lot of people were paid, but I don't
That's
think
what
it's
I'm
the
saying.
biggies. I don't think the biggies were paid.
I'm sure they were to some extent.
and maybe
Even the
not.
influencers were
The
invited
influencers I know were.
for reception. No, the influencers made it fucking obvious.
Yeah.
They made it look like it's a paid barter. No, not barter. Paid collab.
Part barter.
Where they're like, oh guys, I'm hanging out at the Ambani wedding.
Yeah.
But the beautiful thing about all the influencers hanging out at the reception was Anand Ambani and Radhika Merchant were nowhere to be seen. Like not even
Oh
in
yeah,
one frame.
that's why I was so confused because I'm
No,
like,
so
where?
Why
They
was it
apparently
not
segregated the very, very big influencers into a different room. And I saw this on someone else's reel. So she basically, Ori used to follow her or follows her. So
Who's her?
there's some rebel kid. And so she messaged him saying, oh, I'll be alone. Please hang out with me, sort of situation. He said, okay, yeah, whatever, we'll figure it out. So then on the day of the event, while she was there, he messaged her saying, come to room so and so. That is where all the biggies were.
Wow.
So none of the other influencers got to see them.
No, as if they segregated the influencers also. So you'd have the massive ones in one space, like the OG creators, and then you'd have the new ones, the real famous creators.
Are
in
they
one.
meeting them though?
Meeting Anant and Radhika? Obviously they're meeting. You've gone for someone's wedding.
But
you
they're
won't
not
meet
there
them?
in any of the frames. Like everybody.
That's just bad shooting.
Oh, okay.
But like, because they were meeting like a lot of people that day, right? It's not just for influencers. I'm sure there were other guests also. Did you know he gifted his groomsmen APs?
APs.
What is AP?
What is API?
Dillon. The world
Dillon. He's French.
arithmetic progression.
No, he's from the east of India.
Arithmetic
Dillon.
progression. Wait, I can get it. It's a watch.
Yeah, it's
Something Patek.
That's Philip Patek.
AP. The JP. Yeah, is there one rap song, no?
Is there a mini rap song?
It's okay, please.
What-
We don't
what
have
is it?
an
What-
entire episode on this.
Give me a clue.
It's French. I think it sounds French at least.
Dillon.
Yeah, I'm lost.
I don't know how to pronounce it.
You say it.
I don't know how to
I don't know
pronounce
how to
it.
pronounce
What
You're
is
from the
it?
east of India, where France.
Eau de miel.
Audemars Piguet.
Eau de
Audemars
Piguet.
Piguet.
I don't know about this brand at all.
So that one watch will cost how much?
Like 3 crores, 2.5 crores,
Yeah.
2 crores.
And he gifted like some 9-10 of them to his groomsmen.
And
Maybe
all
more.
the groomsmen took
Yeah.
photos of them. Like
Like
I
Shah
just
Rukh Khan
need the
got
watch.
one.
just by the way, it's impossible to get this watch. You can't buy this watch.
You have to make it
Like
custom made.
No, you can't custom make it. Also, you have to be on a list for many years. and then only-
Usual.
It's like a
Like
Birkin
handbag,
bag.
yeah.
But like because Ambani's Ambani, he got like 15 of those watches just
Yeah.
out of the blue.
And he gave it like Shah Rukh Khan, Hardik Pandya, his other friends. Insane. Just to be a friend.
Yeah, Sharon. Look at the Ambanis. Where is my birthday gift?
It's coming. It's coming.
Where is it coming from?
Highway. Fun wedding. I enjoyed it.
From a distance.
Yeah.
Do you think it's the last wedding in the family?
I mean,
I'm sure they
The
have more
kids are
family
married.
members.
I mean, yeah, but they can get divorced and get married again.
oh no, not
Never
in
happened?
this community.
No,
You don't think they can get divorced?
Dude, I mean,
they can, but they won't
they
be allowed
can,
to.
but like here they try as much. Plus, I mean, you're
I
the
love how
richest.
Shavni saying we.
Yeah, because we're the same community.
We are the same sis.
GUJJU.
This
But-
one, my favorite video for the whole wedding is, I think this is like the 15th day of the events happening, and Anand Ambani is fucking tired. He's like, I am done with
Is it this?
This
He's
yeah,
very
his
like-
Bharat.
His eyes are dead. Like
That's
he's
too
not.
much energy.
No, that is too much. He's just like this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I haven't
He's-
seen
This
any
is
of
from
this.
I have a
on Instagram.
repository.
It comes on my Explore. I watch it, then not interested. Because I like curate my
Yeah.
Explore.
I remember there being a wedding, so I thought it was the clips from that just resurfacing. I didn't realize there was another wedding.
No, so that was what you've seen in the past. is
Pre-wedding.
The Jamnagar
Jamnagar
event, which
one.
is like the Hastakshar is your written. Like
Basically, like
registry.
engagement, kind of. No?
No, engagement happened last year.
Oh.
Oh, so this is the wedding.
So I'm
I
also
feel like
not
the
on.
Jamnagar one was more high profile. Like
That's because they had bigger personalities
Yeah, they
in
had
the
Rihanna.
business
Zuckerberg
world.
and Rihanna.
Yeah.
Bill Gates and stuff. Then they had the cruise, which was in Europe,
Yeah. I forgot.
where
yeah.
Katy Perry and all performed. And then they had Justin Bieber come here.
Okay, that's it, guys. That's all we talk about the Ambani wedding. That's the last time we're talking about it.
What do you mean? Don't take away her authority on this.
Ambani PhD.
It's okay, they'll have children soon. First child
They already have kids,
celebration.
no?
No, Anand and Radhika just got married, bro.
No, the other one has.
Yeah, so now these two will have, no?
Oh, like that.
How do you think they'll name their kids?
Alaya.
And Sambhav. Yeah. Will they do the book thing? Is that like a
What
thing
is
in
the
your
book
community
thing?
also? The picking the name out from the book?
God knows.
That every community.
I have no idea. Must be.
I don't know why I clapped. Guys, thank you for watching this episode. It was a really fun one. It was pretty short. Well, I don't know why I said that also, but I had fun. Thank you guys for coming
Thank you guys.
on my
for coming.
podcast.
On your
Oh,
podcast.
this is my podcast.
Your podcast.
This is my
No, it's
podcast.
actually Guyu's podcast.
It's not. It's really not.
Guys, actually, this is your podcast. You
But
are the
this
most
is not
important.
a podcast.
Yeah,
Yeah.
this is not a podcast.
Please like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below.
What do you want them to comment?
Nothing about Fahim.
What's your favorite moment about the Ambani wedding? Go for it.
And your secret baby names.
Yeah, and your secret baby names.
They won't be secret if they comment.
I mean, yeah, but.
Till that moment.
Yeah.